What's up, you guys? If you are traveling to Charleston and you're looking for fun things to do for you and your crew, you're in the right place. I am Baker Manning, and this is part of my Charleston Bachelorette Party Planning Series. I've got lots of videos on YouTube. Check out my website, bakermanning.com, where you'll get my best content. And this video is about some of my go-to things to do here in Charleston.
Is a mouthful.
If you're just tuning in, this is part 2 of my go-to things to do in Charleston, so make sure you check out part 1, either over there, up there, or whatever. Yeah, be sure to check out part 1. This is part 2, and stay tuned because I'll have lots of other videos of other fun things to do, places to stay, where to eat and drink, and all the things in Charleston. Holla back. Put some South in your mouth. I'm not talking about saying y'all and bless your heart and all that other slang with a twang. I'm talking about stuffing your face at the countless local restaurants and bars here in Charleston that serve delicious Southern cuisine and tasty drinks that you can't find or beat anywhere else. Need examples? I've got plenty. I'm talking about shrimp and grits, biscuits and gravies, fried chicken and waffles, Bloody Marys, pimento cheese. I mean, to sum all that up in one word, brunch. We've got Firefly sweet tea vodka, and home of the Frogmore stew or the Low Country boil. We got oysters and oyster shooters, and if you've never had a boiled peanut, you haven't lived yet. 2 words, soul food. It's a real thing, y'all. Definitely wouldn't recommend it before your beach day. You won't be feeling so hot in that. Let's see. Yeah, so besides all our delicious local cuisine and our tasty drinks, we have lots of local breweries. We have a few distilleries. We even have a winery. Who knew? We have lots of great rooftop bars you can go hang out on and look over the city, which looks strangely like a fake toy or something. You'll see what I'm talking about. Let's move on to another top thing to do in Charleston, and that is book a customized drinking or adventure tour with Crafted Travel. Now, Crafted Travel is one of the top-rated travel companies in Charleston that provide various tours and experiences that are perfect for your bachelor, bachelorette party, or weekend getaway in Charleston. So I actually work for Crafted Travel, so if you're lucky, I might even be your tour guide. Be sure to request me if you'd like. But yeah, we do lots of great tours. I think the 2 most popular ones and the ones that I would recommend are, for ladies, the Sippin' Guatemala tour. So with that one, you hop in some kind of either a luxury vehicle or a party bus, depending on the size of your group and your preferences. And we'll stop by the Angel Oak Tree, which is the oldest and possibly largest tree on this side of the Mississippi. It's over 400 years old. It's beautiful. And it's just a fun little kind of, place to stop, take a quick pic, and we'll keep on cruising. We go out to Guatemala, kind of out in the country, and there is a piece of property there that has the Firefly Distillery as well as the Deepwater Vineyards Winery. And it's a beautiful piece of property, and you can do a wine tasting, and you kind of wrap that up, go next door, try a lot of the Firefly vodka. And if you don't recognize the name, Firefly is the OG sweet tea vodka. They're the first people to come out with it as far as I know. So yeah, they definitely kind of started that whole thing. And at this point they have lots of other flavors, so you can try all of those. And then after a while, we will hop on back in the vehicle and we'll make a little pit stop at Low Tide Brewery, another local brewery, have a little beer, and then I will send you on your way, or whoever is your guide will do that. So that is one of the Crafted Travel tours. And another one that's really popular is the downtown, I think it's like a pub crawl and a history tour. So you'll hit a bunch of the, pubs and breweries and whatever bars in downtown historic Charleston, and you'll have a very knowledgeable guide, give you lots of interesting facts about Charleston on the way, so you're partying and you'll learn some cool stuff on top. So Crafted Travel, great option for big groups, bachelorette parties, anybody who, grown-ups who aren't really into adulting. Check out Crafted Travel. They have also some beach packages and a whole fleet of party buses. So you can, get a little upgrade anytime. So let's see, I think that about does it for the top things to do in Charleston. Now, obviously there are lots of other great things to do, and I will cover them in future videos, but those are some of my top go-to things to do. These are the kind of things I will bring my friends to when they come to town, and definitely great options to throw out there if you are trying to plan a trip for, either a bachelorette party, bachelor party, big group, that'll kind of get the wheels turning. And just be sure to stay tuned. I'll be pumping out a lot more videos with a lot more travel tips and tricks and all that good stuff. Want to throw the best party ever in Charleston? Diva Dance offers a unique bachelorette party experience that nobody in your squad will forget. We choose the hottest hip hop and pop mixes to create fun, sexy dance choreography that's easy to follow even if you think you can't dance. Most bachelorette party ideas are played out. Tired games, no swag. Instead, gather your ladies and strut your stuff. Be prepared to let your hair down for an hour of pure fun. We're talking freestyle, shake it, slay like Beyonce. You and your squad will feel like backup dancers in a music video by the time you leave. Click the link to check availability and book your party now. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please let me know by hitting the like button, and also be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell if you want to be notified when I post new videos every week. I am super stoked for the upcoming spring and summer, so I have lots of content for you guys, lots of great travel advice to help you travel smarter so you can party harder when you come to Charleston. Check out my website, bakermanning.com. That's where you'll find all my best content, lots of free resources. I've got scavenger hunts, checklists, packing lists, all the things, and just stay tuned and watch some more of my videos for my Charleston Bachelorette Party Series, or whatever you want to watch. I have a lot of random stuff on here. Cheers, and hope to see y'all soon.